Hey everyone, so this is a tutorial video on how to generate ANOVA summary table for RBD or Randomized Block Design using Excel. So this is the problem that I've used in my description of mechanism. An article in the Food Technology Journal described the study on the protopectin content of tomatoes during storage. 4 storage times were selected and samples from 5 lots of tomatoes were analyzed. The protopectin content, expressed as hydrochloric acid soluble fraction in milligrams or kilograms, is in the following table. So this is the table. So these are the raw data. Lot 1, Lot 2, 3, 4, and 5. We also have here the 0 days, 7 days, 14 days, and 21 days. And these are the values. So the researchers in the study hypothesized that mean protopectin content would be different at different storage times. Can you confirm this hypothesis with a statistical test using 0.05 alpha? So always remember that we have to make sure that we have data analysis here. So just go to data tab and then data analysis. So click the data analysis and then choose ANOVA 2-factor without replication in RBD. So click OK. And then here in the input range, we have to highlight the data. So just highlight this and then it will automatically go here in the input range. So after that, check the labels so that the Excel will recognize the data that we have highlighted. Then after that, here put 0.05 since 0.05 is our alpha here in the problem. 0.05, and after that we have output option. So we have output range, new worksheet, new workbook. So choose the output range. And then after that, click here any of the cells. So just click one cell and then click OK. Click OK. And then after that, this is our summary table. So it is better to put borders. So go to Home tab, then put borders. Choose all borders. So for rows, this would be among treatments. Among treatments. And then after that, in columns, so this would be among blocks. So here under F, these are the values that we will have if we will do the manual process. So and also as well as the here in the F critical, these are the values that we will have. So this is our ANOVA summary table for Randomized Block Design.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.